In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a glowing gradient border in Elementor. Let's start right from your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged into your WordPress account, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the Elementor option in that menu. Hover your mouse over it so that the submenu appears, then click on the editor option from that list. This will open the Elementor dashboard inside WordPress, which is where you'll be doing your design work. When the Elementor interface loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on Edit Site. This takes you into the visual editor where you can select and style the elements on your page. Now, inside the editor, click on the container or the widget where you want to add the glowing border effect. This could be a section, a column, or a specific widget like an image or a button. As soon as you select it, you'll see its settings open up in the left sidebar. In that left panel, switch to the Style tab. This is where you control how the element looks. Scroll down until you find the border section. Within that area, you'll see a setting called Box Shadow, usually with a small pencil or edit icon next to it. Click that icon to reveal all the box shadow options. Here's where the glow effect really comes together. You'll see controls for horizontal, vertical, blur, and spread. To create a balanced glow around the entire element, make sure the horizontal and vertical values are equal, or simply set both to 0. That keeps the glow centered rather than shifted to one side. Next, increase the blur value to soften the edges of the glow. This makes it look more like a light spreading out instead of a hard shadow. Then slowly increase the spread value. The spread is what pushes that glow outward and makes it more visible. So adjust it until you're happy with how strong and wide the glow appears. Finally, click on the color swatch next to the color option. This opens the color picker. Choose the color you want your glow to be. For a gradient style look, pick a bright, vibrant tone that complements your design. You can also experiment with slightly different colors on different elements to create a layered gradient effect across your layout. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Update or Publish, depending on whether this is an existing page or a new one. That saves your changes and applies the glowing border effect to your live site.